Question 1. What is AWS Fargate? The correct answer is B, serverless container compute. Question 2. Which services support Fargate? The correct answer is C, both ECS and EKS. Question 3. What does Fargate eliminate? The correct answer is B, server management. Question 4. What is a Fargate task? The correct answer is B, serverless container unit. Question 5. What is Fargate pricing based on? The correct answer is B, CPU and memory per second. Question 6. What is the minimum CPU for Fargate? The correct answer is B, 0.25 CPU. Question 7. What is the maximum CPU for Fargate? The correct answer is C, 16 CPU. Question 8. What is the minimum memory for Fargate? The correct answer is B, 512 megabytes. Question 9. What is the maximum memory for Fargate? The correct answer is C, 120 gigabytes. Question 10. What is Fargate Spot? The correct answer is B, discounted Fargate capacity. Question 11. How much can Fargate Spot save? The correct answer is C, up to 70%. Question 12. What network mode does Fargate use? The correct answer is C, awsvpc. Question 13. Does Fargate support public IP? The correct answer is B, yes. Question 14. What is ephemeral storage in Fargate? The correct answer is B, temporary task storage. Question 15. What is the default ephemeral storage? The correct answer is B, 20 gigabytes. Question 16. What is the maximum ephemeral storage? The correct answer is C, 200 gigabytes. Question 17. Does Fargate support EFS? The correct answer is B, yes. Question 18. Does Fargate support EBS? The correct answer is A, no. Question 19. What is a Fargate profile in EKS? The correct answer is B, defines pods for Fargate. Question 20. What is Fargate platform version? The correct answer is B, Fargate Runtime version. Question 21. What is the latest Fargate platform version? The correct answer is D, varies by region. Question 22. Does Fargate support GPU? The correct answer is A, no. Question 23. Does Fargate support privileged containers? The correct answer is A, no. Question 24. What is Fargate task execution role? The correct answer is B, role for Fargate agent. Question 25. What is Fargate task role?
The correct answer is B, IAM role for containers.
Question 26. Does Fargate support Docker volumes? The correct answer is B, yes, bind mounts only. Question 27. What logging drivers does Fargate support? The correct answer is B, awslogs, Splunk, awsfirelens. Question 28. Does Fargate support SSH access? The correct answer is C, only with ECS Exec. Question 29. What is ECS Exec? The correct answer is B, interactive shell access. Question 30. Does Fargate support daemon sets? The correct answer is A, no. Question 31. What is Fargate task metadata endpoint? The correct answer is B, query task information. Question 32. Does Fargate support host port mapping? The correct answer is A, no. Question 33. What is Fargate task networking? The correct answer is B, any per task. Question 34. Does Fargate support security groups? The correct answer is B, yes, per task. Question 35. What is Fargate task startup time? The correct answer is B, 30 to 60 seconds. Question 36. Does Fargate support spot interruption? The correct answer is B, yes, 2-minute warning. Question 37. What is Fargate task density? The correct answer is B, 1 task per compute. Question 38. Does Fargate support Windows containers? The correct answer is B, yes. Question 39. What Windows versions does Fargate support? The correct answer is B, Server 2019 and 2022. Question 40. Does Fargate support ARM architecture? The correct answer is B, yes, Graviton 2. Question 41. What is Fargate task retirement? The correct answer is B, automatic task replacement. Question 42. Does Fargate support container insights? The correct answer is B, yes. Question 43. What is Fargate task scaling? The correct answer is B, auto-scaling supported. Question 44. Does Fargate support load balancers? The correct answer is B, yes, ALB and NLB. Question 45. What is Fargate task IAM authentication? The correct answer is B, task role credentials. Question 46. Does Fargate support service discovery? The correct answer is B, yes, Cloud Map. Question 47. What is Fargate task health check? The correct answer is B, container health checks. Question 48. Does Fargate support secrets? The correct answer is B, yes, SSM and Secrets Manager. Question 49. What is Fargate task isolation? The correct answer is B, dedicated compute per task. Question 50. Does Fargate support multi-region? The correct answer is B, yes, deploy in any region. How many did you get right? Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.